Increasing urbanization has resulted in less land being available for agriculture. This in turn has led to a declining ratio of food producers to food consumers. As the population grows, this ratio is going to further decline. It is estimated that by 2050, the world population will reach 9 billion from the present 7.5 billion. How will we meet the food requirements of a growing population when less land is being available for agriculture? Another major challenge that we are trying to address through our project is the shortage of water. The World Health Organization statistics show that agriculture uses 70% of the fresh water available on our planet. This kind of water use is unsustainable, so we need to try and produce more food on less land using much less water than conventional agriculture.
At a global level, this is the problem that we are trying to address through our project. We think that hydroponics will be the answer to global food and water challenges. At a very local level, we are trying to address the concern of increased pesticides use in our fruits and vegetables. As people become more aware of the ill effects of pesticides, they are looking for alternatives to grow food that does not contain pesticides. With more and more people living in apartments and less space for kitchen gardens, hydroponics is the answer to these local concerns as well. What are the problems you face when buying vegetables?
They are usually not very fresh. They are expensive at times.
What are the problems you face when you buy vegetables from the market?
Vegetables are not fresh. If they are looking fresh also, the prices are very high. And they use a lot of pesticides nowadays.
Sir, do you have a kitchen garden at home?
I'm sorry, I don't have it.
Would you like to grow one in the future?
Probably I would like to grow in future. So I would take advice of the expertise if I want to have it.
We realized that hydroponics would be the best solution to our problem because it doesn't require any soil or land and not many chemicals used in it, and best of all, even your kitchen garden or a rooftop is enough to set up a hydroponic unit.
In this prototype, we have set up a simple hydroponic system. We took a plastic box with a lid. To the lid of the plastic box, we made holes to fit small planting baskets. Then we planted the saplings of tomato and chili in a hydroponics box. Cocoa peat, gravel, pieces of plastic mesh were used to support the saplings. We prepared a concentrated micronutrient solution by mixing the hydroponic micronutrient powders named Grow, Micro, Bloom with required proportion of water as instructed by the supplier of hydroponic micronutrients. This concentrated solution is our stock solution. We then diluted 0.4 ml of micronutrient stock solution by adding 1 liter of water to it. At different stages of plant growth, we will be adding different concentrations of the stock solution. Water in the hydroponics box is circulated and aerated using an aquarium pump and aerator. Instead of having to monitor the nutrient level and water level manually, IoT has been used to automate the maintenance procedure so that human interference in the system can be avoided. As you can see in the model, the plants are suspended above the water medium, with the roots submerged in the water. No soil is used. When the water level falls due to the growth of plants as they absorb water, an ultrasonic sensor that measures the drop in water level triggers a pump, which pumps water until the required level is reached.
We have also used a pH sensor. The pH monitor also displays a QR code, and once scanned, we can see all the data through our smartphones through Wi-Fi. Our model is automated, efficient, and very cost effective compared to commercially available systems that cost anywhere between 6,000 and 10,000. Besides, these models do not have any automation and requires constant monitoring. In our prototype, we have grown tomatoes and chilies.
As our next step, we would like to grow green leafy vegetables as well as standardize the process.
We'd like to see if we can automate the pH control as well and hopefully reduce the cost of this hydroponics unit by using discarded PET bottles and hopefully PVC pipes as well.
If more and more people grow their own vegetables using hydroponics, it will reduce food miles, thus reducing pollution, address problems of food and water shortage, and provide pesticide-free fruits and vegetables.